Let's have a look at this selection based set, everyone. Look here. A team of 4 people to be selected among these 7 people. Total 7 people are there. The name of these people is A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Out of these we want to select 4 people to be selected. The conditions are the first condition, look here. At most 2 among C, E and G can be selected. So out of C, E and G we can select 0 of them, we can select 1 of them, we can select 2 of them, but we cannot select all 3 of them. Second condition says that at least one of A and B must be selected. Means among A and B, one of them must be selected or both of them must be selected. The third condition is if Farhan is selected, means if F is selected, in that case we cannot select Anuj and we cannot select A and C. So question number 13 deals with how many teams we can form. Again, question number 14 and 15, all 3 questions deals with how many teams we can form. So depending on these 3 conditions, how many teams we can form, let's calculate that. And then depending on the conditions given in the individual questions, we can shortlist our teams. So over here, if F is selected, then we can eliminate 2 of them. Okay, so let's say there are 2 cases. The first case is F is selected and the second case is F is not selected. Okay, let's have a look at it. Over here total 7 people are there, A, B, C, D, E, F and G. If F is selected, then we cannot select A, we cannot select C. Among A and B, at least one of them must be selected, and as A is not selected, then B must be selected. So we need to form a team of 4 people, everyone. Out of those 4 people, B and F are fixed. The remaining 2 people we need to select from D, E and G. Now there is no any condition. The first condition was C, E and G. Among C, E and G, we cannot select all 3 of them. C is already eliminated, so that condition is taken care of here. So among D, E and G we can choose any 2 people. So we can choose D, E, we can choose D, G, we can choose E, G. So if F is selected, then there are 3 possible combinations of team. Let's have a look at second case now. Second case is F is not selected. Over here we need to choose at least one among A and B. At least one among A and B, one of them or both of them. We need to select 0 or 1 or 2 among C, E and G. 0 or 1 or 2. F is not selected, then which person is remaining? D is remaining. So we can select D or we cannot select D. There is no any condition on D. So now we need to select total 4 people. We cannot select all C, E and G. We can at most select 2 people, everyone. So from this, what we can conclude that among C, E and G we need to select at least one. If we select none of them, then we will not be able to form a team of 4 people. So at least one of them must be selected, everyone. So now what I will do is, to create the space here, I will delete some part of the data. Now there is no any need of this data, everyone. So let me delete this part. So look here, hold on. So now let's list down all the possible teams here. Now among C, E and G, if only one person is selected, then A and B, both of them must be selected, everyone. And the selection of D is compulsory. So over here 3 teams are possible. Now if 2 of them selected among C, E and G, if 2 of them are selected, okay, that is C, E, C, G and E, G, and along with them D is also selected, then one among A and B must be only one among A and B must be selected. And if two of them are selected and D is not selected, in that case both A and B must get selected. Okay, so in this situation 3 teams are possible, but in this situation how many teams are possible? It is A oblique B. So with A there are 3 teams, with B there are 3 teams, so total 6 teams are possible here. So considering both the cases, how many teams we can form, everyone? Total number of teams are, let me write it here, total number of teams are 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3, that is equal to 15 teams we can form. Okay, so now let's have a look at question number 13, 14 and 15. Question number 13, we will be solving question number 13. Dheeraj is selected. If Dheeraj is selected, then in how many ways can the team be selected? Okay, Dheeraj is must, everyone. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These 3 teams, look at, these 3 teams will generate 3 more teams because it is A oblique B. So in how many teams Dheeraj is selected? 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 2 from this, 3 from this, and 3 plus 3 is from this. The answer of this question is 11, that is option number D. After this, question number 14, everyone. If at most one of Farhan and Ganesh can be selected, then in how many ways we can form the team? Okay, at most one among F and G must be selected. Okay, at most one among F and G can be selected. Means what we don't want here, we don't want the teams in which F and G both selected together. How many teams are there in which F and G both are selected together? There are only 2 teams. Out of 15 teams, there are only 2 teams in which F and G both are selected together. So our answer is 13 here. We don't want these teams. After that, question number 15. Question number 15 says that if Ishwar is not selected, then in how many ways we can select the team? Okay, so total number of teams are 15. Out of that, in how many teams Ishwar is selected? E is selected, everyone. E is selected in these 2 teams. E is selected here, everyone. So we need to subtract 2 plus, this is 1, this is 2 and 2, 4, everyone. This is A oblique B, so this 2 and other 2, that is 4, plus these 2 teams. So this subtraction is how much, everyone? This subtraction is 15 minus 4 plus 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. 15 minus 9, the answer is 6, option number A. This is how we can solve this set, everyone.